Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is an open collaboration, All Things Decor Tabletop. Our host is Debbie Bubbles and Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The co-host is Decorating with Jazzy Green, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Design with Emma, myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Creating with Ms. K, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Vondessa J. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to be decorating the top of my piano. And I'm going to start with this rooster and charger plate on a stand. Next, I'm going to be adding these fall florals and greenery in a pot. And I'll place that in the center of the piano with my rooster. Next is another rooster that's very whimsy. That I inherited from my mother, as I did the other rooster. And then I'm going to add a few pumpkins. Here is a wooden one that reads, Gather. And here is a little rooster and hen picture with some French words there that I can't pronounce. So far, so good. And a couple of spiral candles. And another little pumpkin that I painted white. More white pumpkins and a couple fall picks. And I have a couple of these little wooden white pumpkins. Now this little pumpkin says grateful, because we all should be grateful for God's blessings. Now I'm going to add this really pretty soft blanket to the seat of the piano, and I'm going to be taking you off the tripod to give you a closer look. Okay, now piano top decor number 2. I have this bust with a ribbon around his neck, or her neck. So I'm going to put that at one end of the piano. And I have this bluish green pumpkin. And I have this really pretty Roman vase with some fall flowers and leaves in it. And that will go in the middle. Next is this 3-tier pumpkin. It is ceramic and I've got twinkle lights in it. So it's really pretty at night. And I have this little wooden pumpkin that says pumpkins. I kind of use that to hide the battery compartment. And another Roman vase with grapes in it, which I'll place at the other end of the piano. Now I'm just going to add some pumpkins here and there. And more pumpkins and leaf picks. Next, I'm going to be adding this fall leaf garland. And I'm trying to just place it in the front. So let's see how that looks. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take you off the tripod to give you a closer look. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank Anna and Debbie for hosting this collaboration. Be sure to check out the playlist. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.